Hey guys, I want to talk to you about Safemoon. Safemoon, it's a cryptocurrency, just came out, a few months ago, and it's at its beginning stages. Bitcoin, it's obviously the most popular cryptocurrency. You don't want to wait until Safemoon is, where Bitcoin is at. And Safemoon, it's rising fast. It's the fastest growing cryptocurrency. There's, I think, over 2 million holders already. And what you want to make sure you do is you want to make sure that you dive into SafeMoon right now. And the reason why you want to do that is because you have to secure finances for your family. You have to secure a future for your family, an inheritance for your family. You need to make sure that your family is well taken care of. And you don't want years to come, 5, 6, 7 years to come, and you're looking back wishing that you made a decision that would allow you and your family to be free, that would allow you and your family to be in a better and different position. You don't have to start off with $5,000, $500,000. You could start off with $5, $50, $125. Guys, I started my first investment into SafeMoon was I think $6.25. I live over here in Canada, $6.25 US. So guys, what you want to make sure you do is click on the video link in my description that I put on. I recorded a video showing you how I purchased SafeMoon. It's a very complicated process, but I broke it down into about 4 to 6 steps. It takes about 35 minutes in total, and you guys could literally have some money invested into SafeMoon tonight. Don't wait, just get in. I'm telling you, SafeMoon is going to blow up, and I know it. Get in now. God bless you all.